Good morning, good morning, good morning. This Solomon Agbozo. Another day. I'm grateful you've been together all this while. Another opportunity to focus to you. Uh, I have two serious games for today, Monday to Monday. Both games are Monday to Monday. They are three numbers with too sure, too sure. So I want to take it through quickly so that we see what happens in the evening. So I saw 59 here, counting with 27, counting with 68, which is the plus of what 9 of the 59 that gave you the 68. Alright, so you come here, you saw uh, 12 with a certain number. The number is in this case is what 43. You see, counting with 7, 7 here, 57 here, then 75 here. Yeah, so I'll come back again. I'll come back again. If you come here, you see 27, 27. You see, counting with saw single 6. Then you saw this 36. It will meet 12 in machine with a certain number, which is what 65. Alright, so from here you come and see single 7 again, 57 again, and then 75. You see, then let's go to the first one again. Now if you add this 68 to the 40 to the 43 plus the two numbers in between the single 7 and 75, you get addition of 233. So 68, 43, and 81, 41. The two numbers in between the single 7 what 75, you get addition of 233. So if you come here to 65 plus 36 plus the two numbers in between the single 7 75 will give you the same 233. All right, if that is the case, let's go on. So counting with this 65, the current 65 will move to last boss. When I move to last boss, this 43 from 112 will give you 79 at last boss. So this 65 will rather here will move to last boss over here. Then this 43 from 112 will give you 79 at last boss machine. Therefore, this 43 and the 68, bring them as two direct. You see they are here, 68, 43, they came. Let me say that again. This 65 here will come to last boss over here. Then the 43 here from 112 will give you 79 at last boss. If that is done, this number and this number, since the two numbers, if added to the single 775, the two numbers in between the single 775, which is 81, 41, will give you addition of 233. When this number went from 112, after this number came to last boss here, go and stake 4368 is two direct. 4368 is two direct. Then you come here, fast forward. This 43 over here too will come to last boss. Again, this 43 over here will come to last boss over here. When it goes to last boss, this is the 5 from 112. And so the 43 from 122. Sorry, the 43 from 122. Sorry, it's not 112. The 43 from 122. Sorry. So here, this 43 here will also move to last boss. And the 65 over here from 122 will give you the last boss machine number. Therefore, since 36 and 65, if added to the two numbers in between 775, which is 65 and 67, which is addition of 132 already, plus of the 101, 65, which is 101, it will give you the same 233 as in the first one, 68, 43, 81, 41. It will be 233. So here to 36, 65, and then 65 and 67. If you add the four numbers, you get addition of what? 233. So if the 43 here from 122 gave you the last boss number, and the 65 here moved to last boss over here, this 43 became banker against the 68. You see, so here to if the 43 move to last boss over here, and the 65 over here from 122 gave you this 57 at last boss. Master, 36, 65 is my two direct. 36, 65 is my two direct. Today, too short. 36, 65. Alright, so the other thing I want to show is that you see I indicated 27 over here, and here I indicated single 6. You see, so what do? This number plus the 57 over here is 84. This number plus the 57 over here is 84. It will come to machine and repeat. So here the single 6 plus the 57 over here will also give you 63. Let it come to machine and repeat. Let it come to machine and repeat. This 27 plus the 57, 84. Come to machine, repeat. So here, 57, 76 and 57 also give you addition of what? 63. Let it come to machine and repeat. If that is the case, the 6 came here. The 6 came here. This 76 was the number that came here. So go and bring the 27 in addition to the 36 and the 65. So interchange the 76. The 76 came here. You see? So the 27 must come here. Or you can say the 76 from what? 90 gave you this 84. If you repeat, bring the 76. So the 27 also from 90 will give you 63. So if you repeat in machine, bring the 27. So this one is 27, 36, 65. But the too sure is 36, 65. It's too direct. Let's go to the second plan. The second plan too is this. You have this 18. You see, 18. Counting with 71 drop. You see. So here, this one is winning to machine plan. And then the first one is, the first setup is winning to machine. Then this one is from machine to winning. So you have 18 here with 71. And here you have 38 here with 42. You see, 18, 71, 38, 42. Good. So these two numbers plus 5. So the 71 plus 5 will give you this 76. You see, and the 18 plus 5 will give you this 23. This 71 plus 5 will give you 76. The 18 plus 5 will give you this 23. So if you come here, the 38 and 42 all plus 5. So 42 plus 5 will give you this 47 to lock it. And then the 38 plus 5 will give you 43. This is it. You see. So these two now 18, 71. All plus 5, 76, and then 23. 38 plus 42. All plus 5 will give 42, and then 43. I won't go back again. So counting with this, the original 71 will come back. Let it come back. You see. So here too, the original 42, this 42 will come back. Now if it comes back, this 23 and the 71, subtract all of them from addition of 106. So if you subtract 23 from 106, you get 83. 71 from 106, you get what? 35. So all of them will come to machine. So 23 from 106, 83. 71 from 106 will give you 35. You see, and they all meet 69 machine. You see, it will meet 69 machine. So repeat the 83 and the SF. You see, and from 103 will give you 20 under the 69. You see, so when you are done, 71 and then 35. 71, 35, one addition of 106. They came. You see, so if they came, they repeated again. So it's very dangerous. 71, 35, they came. So if you come here, since 38 and 42 were here, plus 5, 47, 43, counting with the original 42 came. So you have to go and subtract the two numbers, this 43 and the 42, all from 106, 106. You see, so if you subtract all of them from 106, 106, you get 64, 63. So 43 from 106 will give you 63. 42 from 106 will give you 42. You understand it? And it'll make 69. You see, it'll make 69. So the 63 must repeat under itself, just like the way the 83 repeated under itself. So repeat the 63 under itself. You see? And this is the 83 from 103 is the 20 under the 69. So here to 63 from 103 will give you the 40 under the 69. You see? So when you are done, you have to go and bring the 42 and 64. Addition of 106. Just like we did the way 71, 35 all came here. Go there and bring 42, 64. It's too direct. Then here, because 63, you find 63 on the line over here, 63 on the line over here. 63 came here. This is 63. Was the number moving here? You see? So you have to interchange the any trace. Bring 63 here. Here, go and bring the 83 here. Bring the 83 here. You see, interchange them. So the 63 moved here. So I want us to move the 83 to this particular place. So the next thing I'm saying is that this is optional. If you don't have money, don't do it. I saw 19 over here. So I want to take it like this 63 came and the 64 counterpart. So this one came direct, this one counterpart. So if this one is coming, this one counterpart to 19. So you see them over here. So I want to take it like if 83 is coming, counter the 35 in addition. So it will be 80. Counter it in addition. It will be 80. If you don't have money, don't do it. So the too sure is here is 4264. Then you change this thing 63, bring it here. So bring 83 here. But what I'm adding addition is that since you have 64 here and the 64 and the 63 were here, I'm thinking that when the 63 was coming here, the 64 counterpart to 19. So if you are bringing 83 here, counter the 35 in addition to be 80. So that is what I'm saying. So my game for today, my banker, 1 to 90 banker is 65. And my too sure is 36, 65. My three numbers is 27, 65, 36, 27, 65, 36. My best three numbers. Then the other plan is this. You see, 42, 64, 42, 64, 83. That one to the too sure is what? 42, 64, 42, 64. And this is where I'm saying that the other too sure, so you can stake 80, 83 too. You see, so this plan will be 4 numbers. 42, 60. The 42 64 is the too sure. But the 80, 83 too can be too sure. Try it too. So if you come here, you add 80. So 65, 36, 27, 42, 64, 83, and 80. Let me write it well here. 80, 83, 27, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you have money, do it. If you don't have money, this is what I want you to do. You see? So, my name is Solomon Agozo. God bless you. Another wonderful day. God bless all of you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you very much.